In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notification settings in Microsoft Teams. If you're aiming to boost productivity or simply want fewer distractions during your workday, knowing how to fine-tune these settings can make a world of difference. Let's dive right in and explore how you can take control of what alerts you see and hear. To begin, launch Microsoft Teams on your device. You can do this from either your desktop application or the web version. Once you're logged into your Teams account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, navigate to Settings and select it. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll encounter a range of categories on the left-hand side. Look for Notifications and click on it. You are now in the Notification Settings area, where you can customize exactly how you're alerted to activity within Microsoft Teams. You'll see a section labeled Teams and Channels. This is where you decide how you receive notifications for new activities across different teams and channels. You have three primary options here: banner and email, only show in feed, and off. Selecting banner and email will make sure you get a pop-up banner on your screen and, at times, an email notification. Opting for only show in feed will confine notifications to your activity feed without any pop-ups, preventing interruptions. Choosing off will mean you receive no notifications from channels but can still check updates manually whenever you decide. Consider your workflow and choose the option that aligns best with your needs. The next section is Chat. Here, you can similarly choose how you'll be notified of new messages in your chats. Pay attention to the settings for mentions and replies, which can be crucial in keeping up with important conversations. Tailor these settings to ensure you're alerted in the way that suits your workflow best. There's also an important section called Meetings. If you have frequent virtual gatherings, you might want to adjust how you're notified of upcoming meetings and any changes to them. Opt for notifications that help you organize your time efficiently without causing disruptive interruptions. Another useful tip: make use of the Do Not Disturb mode for moments of deep focus. This can be activated by returning to your profile menu and selecting Do Not Disturb. During this time, notifications will be muted to maintain your concentration. Finally, always remember that these settings are there to serve you, so don't hesitate to revisit and adjust them as your role or priorities evolve over time. With this newfound knowledge, you're well equipped to make Microsoft Teams work for you, keeping you informed and focused all at once. Thank you for watching, and may your newly optimized notification settings bring you a more productive and peaceful workday.